Buenas, buenas, Three Brothers Roofing. On today's project, it's about roof leak repair. So we did our inspection a few days ago, and so the homeowner made a decision to go with us. So this is the problem. We have the bathroom. Looks like someone tried to do the repair. That is for bathroom vent cap. They install the bathroom vent. So this is the pipe coil flashing. So this is how they install it. Okay, so we have to remove the shingles, look right here. Even they try to do some wall flashing, install over the existing shingles. Yeah, no good. Three Brothers Roofing, the expert and solution for any roof leak repair. Or our project beginning by removing those shingles, because how they did it, no good, terrible job. How come, or how in the world someone will do that kind of labor? Because those is not installed right. But no problem. Three Brothers Roofing had the experience and provide solution when it's come to a roof leak repair, residential or commercial. So we will fix those two problems. All right, so same thing right here. That's exactly what they did it. They just installed the coil flashing over the shingles and then add some flashing cement, which is no good. And that's why the homeowner, they got really bad leak into their bathroom. And why is really bad? Because right here, this is the valley. I mean, all the water collect from the valley is come right where the pipe is. And we will guarantee once we're done, they will have no more leaking, guarantee. So we can see how they did it. Yeah, they installed over the shingles. No good. And we are ongoing with our project. The vent cap, or we can reuse. It looks nice and clean because it's brand new. So it looks like we don't have to replace it. But that one, yes, no question. We have to replace. Oh yeah, and it looks really bad. Step by step, we have to remove, and then we have to install the new one. And now we have to remove the flashing, what they try to install over the shingle. How come in the world someone will do that kind of job? Terrible, terrible, terrible. Not a problem. We will fix that one. And right here we are ongoing with cleaning our gooseneck vent. As I mentioned, it looks in really good condition, so we will reuse. So most of the time when someone will get like a roof mark on their ceiling, most of the time it's coming from those pipe or the vent cap. Based on our experience, usual when someone will call and mention they have like leaking on their bathroom, either the pipe or the vent. That's most of those problems. Three Brothers Roofing, the solution. Okay, and now we are installing some ice shell on the base of the pipe. Okay, the beauty working with the Three Brothers Roofing. Experience, quality, and solution. We are working with the flashing. The flashing is going along the wall. This is one of the important section, and this is when our experience will come and will make the big difference. We have the experience to work with flashing, but as usual it's not easy because we have to implement all the way behind the wall. And we are ongoing here too with installing our new shingles. And now, as we see, we implement the first shingle all the way up, and then now reinstall the gooseneck vent. This is the right way. If we see the flashing, it's go over the shingles. I would say 1.5 inches. That's the correct way how to install. 100% no more leaking. That one is really difficult because you have the wall flashing very close to the pipe. No problem. We are the solution, and we are ongoing with our gooseneck vent installation. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a comment on the YouTube or Facebook or TikTok. I don't know where you guys watching this video. Not a problem. Comment on our video. If you have questions or concerns, not a problem. Text or call or comment or visit our website. Okay, so the time where we install our flashing and fit perfect. Experience make the difference. And now installing our shingle. Okay, after we add some caulking, now we add a little pressure around and some nails, and good to go. Okay, and we have our new bathroom vent pipe coil flashing, and now we are ready for the installation, and that's exactly what we're doing here. And as we see, the first shingle went all the way up, and the flashing will sit right on top of the shingle, the solution. And other roofers, they usually implement some nails on the lower point, but we don't. What we do usually, we add some caulking, because with the caulking it will hold the flashing, and the nail after a few years the nail will get rust, the nail will get a little smaller, and then the water will penetrate it, and boom, there is a new leak. And that's why we don't install nail.
And our gooseneck vent is installed,
And looks nice, clean, and guarantee no leaking. So this is what I was talking about. We implement some caulking under the flash. All right, and it looks nice, clean, and sealed, and no more leaking, guarantee. As usual, after we install our shingle, we add some caulking between the old shingle and the new one, and that way we will guarantee our shingle will not fly with the heavy wind. Experience and quality, because as usual the old shingle will not stick to the new one, and that's why we add some caulking. It will ensure our shingle will stay there, and the color, it came really close. So let's say really no one can tell between the old and the new shingle. And we add some caulking on the gooseneck vent. All right, and as we see, it looks nice, clean, and sealed. But the most important, no more water will get through. Then remaining the bathroom vent pipe, not a problem. We have our expert on the project. Okay, and same thing, we have to add some caulking. As usual, on every project we implement caulking around those pipes. Okay, our project is completed. We installed the pipe coil flashing, and we install flashing all the way up to the wall, and we have our gooseneck vent cap installed, and our shingle color match came really close. Really, no one can tell between the old and the new one. We just add a little caulking between the rubber and the PVC pipe. Another project completed by a Three Brothers, a roofing company, the solution. See you guys next time. Chop chop.